So this is 18th of August and we are back at Nordmela. We are on the west side. This is my brother with his new hair clip. Haircut.
Haircut.
Hair clip. So we have the wind against us, towards us. Southeastern wind. That's good for the mosquito, so you don't have to deal with the mosquito on the top. So we're just going to throw out and we'll be coming back later. Very nice weather. 20 degrees. Maybe we will catch a salmon. Maybe. So we are making a campfire with coal, and Christian has ignited it.
I'm the fire master.
He's the fire master.
Yes, going to burn well.
Yes.
Perfect fire.
And I made a new fly. Like that. Going to try to fish with fly afterwards with white flies. So that's very nice. Going to grill something. Yes. Very nice weather. It's okay.
20 degrees.
70 degrees. Going to get some firewood. I'm just going to take some of this. And yeah, some of these branches. Yes. This is nice. There we go. Det är bra med rök.
Ja.
Smoke on the water.
Det bara kommer med lite den här.
It got very calm, so the wind has gone down a lot. So let's see what happens during the evening. Here is sausages. So we're going to grill them. Just going to put them more down here by the fire. Like that. I think it's going to be much better. Så ett glimt där. Yeah, I tror det. So I think it's thunder and lightning over here. Yeah. Now you can hear it. It's very rare here. I think maybe we will get rain. Hope not, but kind of sunny over here. Over here it just seem to be gathering rain clouds. So it started to rain and it's thunder and lightning kind of passing straight over us. It's going to hide the camera. Okay, we are leaving. It's thunder and lightning. Kind of. Goodbye. Oh my god. So we are inside the car. We just had to run away from the stormy weather. Kind of was right on top of us. Yeah, crazy. Okay, goodbye for now.